In our funded and focus feature, the most successful companies are using AI, but they're not chasing every new tool. Instead, they focus on building a simple stack that supports their business goals. Attract clients, manage finances, build strong teams, raise capital, scale operations. When AI tools are aligned with those goals, they stop being software subscriptions and start becoming profit-generating systems. The biggest mistake beginners make with AI is that they subscribe to many tools, but it doesn't add up to a system. So as we have been saying, do this. Start just with one goal, right? So you have a list, but just start with one. Pick more clients, better cash flow, faster marketing, less admin work, okay? And then add AI tools slowly around that goal. And this leads to the real opportunity most people are missing, which is AI is not just about productivity, it's about economic leverage. In the past, growing a business required more staff, more overhead, more time. Now a small business owner can operate like a much larger company using AI. That's the real shift happening now.